Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to create an Azure Virtual Machine. While creating Azure Virtual Machine, I will choose Ubuntu server as a image. After once successfully created, I will connect through PuTTY. So let's get started. It is not a sketch video, it is continuation video of Azure Cloud playlist. First open the photo.azure.com. So if you are previously logged into this Azure Cloud, then it will open to home page. So post create the resource group, create select the subscription. I have only one free trial subscription. After that, resource group name. So I'm giving my app RG. Select the region. Region is like a location. Next, if you want to add any tags, add tags consist of key and value. This is the key. This is the value. Next, create. In a resource group, we can add virtual machines, virtual networks, databases, storages, everything. So next, if you found virtual machine, select here. Otherwise, search virtual machine. So create virtual machine. See, these are the stages of we need to complete, then only virtual machine will be created. Basics, disk, network, management, monitoring, advanced tags, review and create. So post we need to select the subscription. I have free trial subscription. After that, resource group. We have created right my app -rg, my app -rg. So in the resource group, we have selected the region. Based on this resource group region, it will be selected. Remember, virtual machine name. So I am giving my app -VM. VM means virtual machine. Region, based on this resource group region, it will be selected. If you are created here, resource group, then we need to select the region. Availability options. So these are there. I am not changing default one. Zone options, I am not changing. Availability zones, there are the 3 zones are there. So I am not changing. Security type. See, defaultly trusted launch virtual machines. I am changing to standard. After that, image Ubuntu server. I am installing the latest one, using latest one, free services eligible. If you want to see all images, go through here. Otherwise, you can scroll down. These are the images. You can also go through this. Click on this. It will be load all images. You can select these many 11871 images are there. You can go through, or you can search if you want any specific. Suppose you want to find all Ubuntu images, you can just type Ubuntu, enter. It will be load all Ubuntu images. It will be near 3K images are there Ubuntu. So I'm not changing default one. After that, VM architecture x64. I'm not changing this one. CF size. This size is currently unavailable in East US for the subscription. So see all sizes. I need to select size. So other sizes, 4 CPUs, RAM, disk, data disk. So here these are the. So I am selecting the first one. Select enable hibernation. So I am not changing this. Next, administrator account. So I am choosing the password. I am giving the user, like my user password I am entering. So both password must and same match. So this is the username, password. These are the not Azure username and password. You can give any name, but must match with their some. See, there are given some restrictions, right? Like capital letters, small letters, special character ID. Those must be matched. Inbound port roles. So allow selected ports. Select inbound port side. I'm selecting 3. HTTP, HTTPS, SSH. By using SSH, we can connect. By using PuTTY, we can connect SSH 22 port number. Next, it is the now disk encryption at host. If you want to select, I am not changing. OS disk size. This image I am not changing. OS disk type I am changing to standard. standard I'm changing. After that, delete with VM. Like if VM is deleted, I am saying delete the OS space. This is space also. So next, now it is going to networking. This is the virtual network. If you are have existing one, you can select it. After subnet, if you have existing one, select public IP. If you are created earlier, existing one either you can select. So the another inbound rule added. If you want, you can select. Else not. 3389. See, select inbound ports, right? This is the remote desktop protocol. If you want to connect to desktop, remote desktop, then enable it. So I'm not changing. See, delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. I'm selecting. So load balancers. If you want two types of load balancer is there. Azure load balancer, it will support TCP, UDP, application, application gateway, then web traffic load balancer for HTTP, HTTPS. So SSL terminal. After that, next, it is going to management. So I am not changing here. Next, monitoring. If you want to enable alerts, select the checkbox. If you want to enable application health monitoring, select this one. I am selecting. Next, advanced. If you want to install any extension, install. Scroll down. I am not changing anything. Next, tags. If you want to add tags. Next, do the final stage review and create. See charges. It will show in the charges. So these are the details. Which resource group you are selected? What is the virtual mission name, region? These are the details. So create. So here it is validation, passed, initializing, deployment, submitting, deployment. So wait some time. Virtual mission will be now deployment in progress. Virtual mission will be created. Here it will be creating one virtual network. After that, one IP. There are the multiple resources are creating. One is created. My app -VM. This is virtual mission. Deployment successful. You can go to the resource. Go to resource means virtual mission. This is virtual mission name. Yeah. So if you want to restart, it is running now. Status running. Location East US June 1. Subscription type free trial. So operating system Linux version 24.0.4. So public IP DNS not configured. These details. If you want to restart, restart. If you want to stop, delete. These are the if you want to connect with PuTTY by using SSH and port 22. We can also open like search in virtual machine. Select the virtual machine. We are created one virtual machine. This right resource group my app RG. Select this one. So see the details. Now I want to connect. It will provide few details like username, port, public IP. I am taking public IP. So search PuTTY. Click on PuTTY. I will provide. Go to download and install PuTTY. So this is the public IP. This is the port. Open. Accept. It will ask login as. See, this is the username. My user. This is our choice. Next, password. We are given this password while we are creating the virtual machine. So I am entered the password. Let's wait. It is successfully connected to virtual machine. Now let's check sudo apt update. There any updates are there. So these many 11 packages can be updated. So use sudo apt upgrade. It is saying invalid. Yeah, spelling wrong. Upgrade is there. say to as all packages are updated. So see, this is the progress. Wait some time, this process will be completed. Meanwhile, let's check. This is the virtual machine, right? Go to virtual machine. This is the virtual machine. So active logs. This is the connect. It is status already running. This is the location or region. This is the location. Restart, stop it there. Delete. The properties monitoring capability recommendations. Check what are the recommendations. Enable, trust, branched, functional, Excel. These are the some recommendations are given. So, all packages are updated. Let's check who I am. So who I am. It will give username. I think this is not found. See, this is the spelling wrong. Who am I? See, my user. If you want to switch to super user, sudo -su. This is super user. So the command you can use sudo su to switch the super user. Yes, now check who am I. Root. Now I am in root. Previously my user. Now I am switching to root. This way too we can install the Azure Virtual Machine and we can connect to PuTTY. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.